തെലുങ്ക്, തമിഴ്, മലയാളം എന്നീ ഭാഷകളിൽ ചിത്രം റിലീസിനൊരുങ്ങുന്നു. റീഇൻകാർണേഷൻ അഥവാ പുനർജന്മം എന്നതാണ് ഈ ചിത്രത്തിന്റെ പശ്ചാത്തലം. നാനി, സായ് പല്ലവി, മഡോണ സെബാസ്റ്റ്യൻ എന്നിവർ ഈ ചിത്രത്തിൽ മുഖ്യ വേഷങ്ങളിലെത്തുന്നു. ഈ ചിത്രത്തിന്റെ തിരക്കഥ ജംഗ സത്യദേവും, ഛായാഗ്രഹണം സനു ജോൺ ബർഗസും, സംഗീതം മിക്കി ജെ മേയറുമാണ്. നിഹാരിക എന്റർടൈൻമെന്റ് ഒരുക്കുന്ന ഈ ചിത്രം ഡിസംബർ 24-ന് റിലീസിനെത്തുന്നു. പാനോരമ സ്റ്റുഡിയോസ് ആണ് ഈ സിനിമ കേരളത്തിലെത്തിക്കുന്നത്. ഈ ചിത്രത്തിന്റെ മലയാളം ട്രെയിലറും ഒപ്പം ചിത്രത്തിന്റെ 2 പാട്ടുകളുടെ ലിറിക്കൽ വീഡിയോയുമാണ് ഇന്നിവിടെ റിലീസിനെത്തുന്നത്. സോ ആദ്യം നമുക്ക് ആ വീഡിയോ ഒക്കെ കാണാം. കണ്ടു കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഈ ചിത്രത്തെക്കുറിച്ചുള്ള കൂടുതൽ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മുടെ വിശിഷ്ട അതിഥികളോട് ചോദിക്കാം. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് വാച്ച് ദ ട്രെയിലർ ആൻഡ് സോങ്സ് നൗ. നമ്മുടെ വിശിഷ്ട അതിഥികളെ വേദിയിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിക്കേണ്ട സമയമാണ്. ആദ്യം പാനോരമ സ്റ്റുഡിയോസിന്റെ റെപ്രസെന്റേറ്റീവ്സിനെയാണ് ഞാൻ വിളിക്കുന്നത്. അതിലാദ്യം പാനോരമ സ്റ്റുഡിയോസിന്റെ കേരള ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ടർ മിസ്റ്റർ പ്രശാന്ത്. പ്ലീസ് സർ. അടുത്തതായി പാനോരമ സ്റ്റുഡിയോസിന്റെ സിഇഒ. പാനോരമ സ്റ്റുഡിയോസിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ പാനോരമ സ്റ്റുഡിയോസ് was founded by Mr. Kumar Bhagat Pathak and led by Abhishek Pathak. With 25 years of experience in the production and distribution business, Panorama Studios banner has given us many memorable films including Drishyam. Panorama Studios today is being represented by Mr. Rajesh Menon, who is the CEO of its recently launched music label Panorama Music. Please sir. And I request Mr. Prashant to keep the bouquet. അടുത്തതായി ഈ ചിത്രത്തിലെ മറ്റൊരു മലയാളി സാന്നിധ്യം, കേരള സാഹിത്യ അക്കാദമി പുരസ്കാരം ഉൾപ്പെടെ കേരള സ്റ്റേറ്റ് പുരസ്കാരം ഉൾപ്പെടെ നിരവധി പുരസ്കാരങ്ങൾ നേടിയ മലയാളികൾക്ക് ഒരുപാട് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട ഗാനരചയിതാവ്, ഒരുപാട് സ്നേഹത്തോടെ സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു ശ്രീ റഫീഖ് അഹമ്മദ്. പ്ലീസ് സർ. ആൻഡ് ഐ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് മിസ്റ്റർ രാജേഷ് ടു ഗിവ് ദി ബൊക്കെ. ഇനി അടുത്തതായി ആ ഒരു ട്രൂ മൊമെന്റ്. മലയാളത്തിൽ അന്യഭാഷാ ചിത്രങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്നും ആരാധകരുണ്ട്. മലയാളത്തിലെ യുവതാരങ്ങളെ ആരാധിക്കുന്ന പോലെ തന്നെയാണ് ചില അന്യഭാഷ അഭിനേതാക്കളെ മലയാളികൾ ആരാധിക്കുന്നത്. And today with us we have a non-Malayali actor who has a huge number of fan followers in Kerala. The one who has a very charming smile. Let's welcome natural star Nani to the stage. A big round of applause for Nani. And I request Mr. Rajesh to handle the bouquet. So a few words about the movie, please. Okay, then no problem. Sir.
I'll start off and then. Good evening, everyone. I'm very, very happy to be here today, and I want to thank media for coming here today and supporting our team and supporting Shyam Singh Roy, Malayalam version. This and also I want to thank Panorama Studios for distributing Shyam Singh Roy here in Kerala. I want to thank Rafiq Ahmed sir for writing for our film, and we are very, very thrilled that he accepted our request. Thank you so much, sir. And so thanks a lot for the distributing the film in Kerala. This Shyam Singh Roy is a lot of friends and people from Malayalam have told me that they have watched a lot of films on TV and on OTT, a lot of Telugu films and a lot of my films. Shyam Singh Roy is going to be my first film in a way, releasing on the release date here in Kerala, and I'm very, very thrilled about it, and I want to see how you will all enjoy the film here. And just not me, a lot of Telugu people since last 2-3 years have been watching a lot of Malayalam cinema, and we have all become big fans of Malayalam cinema, and the kind of concepts, the kind of content, the kind of performances Malayalam cinema has been delivering, we are all in awe. And I thought when I watched all those films, amazing Malayalam films, thanks to the streaming websites and all that, we are getting to watch a lot of Malayalam cinema nowadays, because now we have a way to watch films, and because of social media we keep hearing which are the good films, and then we get to see those films. And then whenever we see Malayalam cinema, they're very content rich. So when I wanted to see if my films can be released in Malayalam, I didn't want to come with a very commercial pot boiler, because I knew the Malayalam audience will always look for something, which is, with great content. So finally, I've been thinking for a long time, which film can I, make my first film in Malayalam. Then I decided, after watching Shyam Singh Roy, then I told my producer that maybe this is the right film for me to come to Malayalam cinema and wish everyone here. So here I am today. I'm very, very happy to be here, and the film has shaped up very well. And the thing about Shyam Singh Roy is it's not a very native film for a Telugu audience or for a particular. We can't really put it in any bracket. I think the concept of the film is very universal. As much as Telugu audience will connect to Shyam Singh Roy, I'm confident Malayalam audience will connect to it, and Chennai audience Tamil audience will connect to it, because the story, the idea itself has a great mood and great vibe, and I'm sure you will all feel the emotions behind the story. And I'm really hoping from here afterwards, I'm really hoping I will do more and more content-rich films, which I can proudly come and present here every single time I do. And looking forward, I have a lot of favorite actors and favorite directors in Malayalam cinema, and I hope the films we get here will also stand next to those amazing films. And Shyam Singh Roy is the first one in that lot. December 24th is the date, and I am really wishing to see you all in theaters. And thank you so much once again. It does feel like I have come here a lot of times for shoots and all, but this is the first time. In fact, I got a lot of love from them, Malayalam audience, when Echa released here. And then again, there was one more film which is called Alamarlaindi in Telugu, and it was dubbed as Angane Thudangi in Malayalam. I remember coming to Cochin for promoting that film, but that was actually 11 years back. And after a long time again, I'm coming here. Even Jersey got a lot of appreciation from the Malayalam audience. So this is the first time we are releasing straight in theatre, and I think we are coming with the right film. We need all your blessings and need media support. Once again, thank you so much for coming here today to support me and my team. And thanks again. And December 24th, Shyam Singh Roy in your own mother tongue, Malayalam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Shyam Singh Roy is definitely going to bring you more luck. അടുത്തായി Rafiq sir.
Thank you. I'm very, very happy to be here in this auspicious occasion. It was a great experience to work for this project. മലയാളികൾ എല്ലാ ഭാഷകളെയും സ്നേഹിക്കുന്നവരും ലോകത്തിലെ എല്ലാ ഭാഷകളിൽ നിന്നുള്ള സാഹിത്യവും സിനിമയും സ്വീകരിക്കുന്ന ആളുകളാണ്. നല്ലത് എല്ലാ കാലത്തും മലയാളികൾ സ്വീകരിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഈ സിനിമ ശ്യാം സിംഗ് റോയ് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന സിനിമ വളരെ പ്രാധാന്യമുള്ള ഒന്നാണ്. അതിന് കുറേ സോഷ്യോ പൊളിറ്റിക്കലായിട്ടുള്ള പ്രാധാന്യങ്ങളുള്ള ഒരു സിനിമയായിട്ടാണ് എൻ്റെ കഥ കേട്ടപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് തോന്നിയത്. പിന്നെ പലപ്പോഴും ഈ ഡബ്ബിംഗ് ഫിലിമുകൾക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടുള്ള പാട്ടുകൾ എഴുതാനുള്ള ക്ഷണങ്ങൾ പലപ്പോഴും കിട്ടാറുണ്ട്. അത് പലതും ഞാൻ സ്വീകരിക്കാറില്ല. കാരണം അത് അത്ര പാട്ടുകൾ വരുമ്പോൾ, നല്ല പാട്ടുകളാണെങ്കിൽ പോലും അതിലൊരു ആർട്ടിഫിഷ്യൽ ആയിട്ട് മാറാറുണ്ട്. അതിൻ്റെ പലപ്പോഴും അതിൻ്റെ ഒരു സ്വാഭാവികമായ ഒരു നാച്ചുറൽ ബ്യൂട്ടി നഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്ന പോലെ ഉള്ള അനുഭവം ഉണ്ടാകും. പക്ഷേ ഇതിലെ പാട്ടുകൾ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ള സംഗീതം, അതിനനുസരിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള വരികൾ എഴുതി കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ അത് മലയാളത്തിലെ ഏത് പാട്ടിനോടും കിടനിൽക്കുന്ന പാട്ടുകളായിട്ട് എനിക്ക് അനുഭവപ്പെട്ടു. അപ്പോൾ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഒരു പാട്ടുകൾ ചെയ്ത ഒരാളെന്നുള്ള എനിക്ക് വളരെയധികം അഭിമാനമുണ്ട്, സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. കാരണം ഈ സിനിമ ഇത് മലയാളികൾക്ക് മുഴുവൻ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്ന, മലയാളികൾ കൈനീട്ടി സ്വീകരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു സിനിമയായിരിക്കും എന്നുള്ള കാര്യത്തിൽ എനിക്ക് സംശയമില്ല. കാരണം ഇതിന് അത്തരത്തിലുള്ള ഒരു 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 പൊളിറ്റിക്കലായിട്ടുള്ള അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു സാമൂഹിക പ്രാധാന്യമുള്ള ഒരു പ്രമേയമാണ് ഇതിനകത്തുള്ളത്. അത് പിന്നെ മലയാളികൾക്ക് തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടും എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ് ഞാൻ ധരിക്കുന്നത്. ഇതിലെ പാട്ടുകളും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ വളരെ ഭംഗിയായിട്ട് എഴുതാനുള്ള ഒരു അവസരം എനിക്ക് ലഭിച്ചു. ഞാൻ അത്യധികം സന്തോഷിക്കുന്നു. കാരണം പലപ്പോഴും ഇത്തരം പാട്ടുകൾ നമ്മൾ ഒരുപാട് ഡബ്ബിംഗ് പാട്ടുകൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുള്ള ആളുകളാണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും, ഈ പാട്ടുകൾ കേട്ടാൽ മനസ്സിലാവും. അങ്ങനെ ഡബ്ബിംഗ് പാട്ടായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തോന്നില്ല. ഇത് മലയാളത്തിലെ തന്നെ പാട്ടുകളായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തോന്നും. അത് എൻ്റെ മാത്രം കഴിവല്ല, അത് സംഗീത സംവിധായകൻ്റെ കൂടി കഴിവാണ്. പിന്നെ ഈ ഭാഷയുടെയും ഒരു മികവാണ് അത്. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഈ സിനിമ ഞങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും കാത്തിരിക്കുന്നു. വി ആർ ഓൾ എക്സ്പെക്ടിങ് ഫോർ ദ റിലീസ്. ഓൾ മലയാളീസ് ആർ എക്സ്പെക്ടിങ് ഫോർ ദ റിലീസ് ഓഫ് ദിസ് ഫിലിം. ഞങ്ങൾ ഈ സിനിമയെ മലയാളികളെല്ലാം കൈനീട്ടി സ്വീകരിക്കും. ഈ സന്ദർഭത്തിൽ ഈ സിനിമയ്ക്കും അതിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഇതിൻ്റെ പ്രവർത്തിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞാൻ എല്ലാ തരത്തിലുള്ള വിജയാശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. സന്തോഷം, സ്നേഹം.
നന്ദി സർ. അടുത്തതായി ഐ ഇൻവൈറ്റ് മിസ്റ്റർ രാജേഷ്.
Hi. I would like to thank the press for being here, and also would like to wish Nani and the producer for the movie best of luck, and let it be a big successful movie in all the languages. Thank you.
Thank you. So thank you. You have something to say? Okay. Thank you, Mr. Prashant. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. Rajesh. So ഇനി നമ്മളൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റൻ ആൻസർ സെഷനിലേക്കാണ്. സോ നാനി സ്റ്റേജിൽ തന്നെ ഉണ്ടാവും. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കൊരു ക്വസ്റ്റൻ ആൻസർ ആയിരിക്കും ഉണ്ടാവുക. ഐ റിക്വസ്റ്റ് യു ടു ടേക്ക് യു സീറ്റ്. സോ ഈ സിനിമയെക്കുറിച്ച് എന്തെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചോദിക്കാനോ അറിയാനോ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചോദിക്കാം.
Being called as a natural star, the movies like Pillai Samindar, Nenu Local, it's like Boy Next to Town, Boy Next. But after Gentleman, we see a sudden shift towards, say, Nani 2.0. So what was most fascinating about that change?
I was growing older. I can't be playing the love stories and the boy next door forever. So I thought I need to start early, so that by the time I actually grow older, I'll get a lot more matured roles. Because Nain Local and Pillai Zamindar, all that is roles of a student. So I can't be playing the roles of student when I'm 37 years old and all. So I thought I'll prepare the audience before itself that I want to take up challenging roles. And when Gentleman and all those roles also became a hit, I'm glad today I've reached a place where I was offered a Shyam Singh Roy kind of a role, and I'm happy. That's the reason I'm here. Yeah. And also for me as an actor to play two different roles from different timelines. One is in 2021 and one is in 1969. It's quite a challenge. At the same time, it is very, very exciting at the same time. So I think that's my favorite part. Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Oh no? I don't know why that came. That's my son saying that because I was in Shyam Singh Roy get up, he was saying that I look like a lion.
We should actually appreciate the one who shot the video, the one who caught the candid moment.
Yeah, that's my wife. Yeah.
So any questions?
Yeah.
What are the challenges that you have faced portray two different characters in one movie?
Not really much of a challenge because I thought it was fun. And to actually most of the challenges were faced by my team members only, because they have the art department, art direction by Avinash made the whole period thing look very believable. Costumes by Neerja made the whole costume very believable, and then cinematography by Sanu John Varghese. He did some great Malayalam films also as a cinematographer. So all these guys worked so hard on our characterizations and how we look in film and all that. So for me it became very easy. I just had to focus on my lines and getting the emotion right. So yeah, nothing was very challenging. It was actually so much fun to play those two roles.
Actually, this is your second film with Sai Pallavi.
Correct.
And what's your experience experience with her?
First film, the film me and Sai Pallavi did, MCA, which was released in 2017, same December, and during the Christmas it released, and it was a blockbuster. So then itself we both thought to ourselves that next time we come together, it should be something very away from MCA and also at the same time very content rich, something which will also have a lot of scope for performance. And that's how, after that, after like 3 years or something, we are coming back with Shyam Singh Roy. And when this script was, when I heard it, when she heard it, and when we okayed it and when we met, we were thrilled because this is exactly the kind of film we wanted to come back together. And now, just before the release, we saw the film and we are even more happy that this is a perfect second film for us in our combination. Now, I think after Shyam Singh Roy release, whenever we come back next time again when we do a film, I think there'll be a lot of expectation on us. Yeah.
Can you share a good moment with Sai Pallavi or mother?
Yes, Pallavi is mother for all of you. One good moment, I don't know what to say, but I think the first day of our shoot together, we shot the climax, and we shot one of the most important scenes of the film. That is the climax scene. And the first day of our shoot itself, we knew we have a great film in our hands because the scene that came out so well, and then we told each other that I think we are on spot. If this, we don't even need to go through the rest of the shooting. The way the climax, that scene came out, we were so confident that we already made it with this film. Yeah, that was very, very memorable because it gave us that immense, immediate satisfaction of doing a great film on the first day itself. Yeah, which happens very rarely.
How often you enjoy Malayalam cinema as you have worked with great talents of Malayalam film industry?
Films, yeah. I watch a lot, particularly during the lockdown. I think I watched all Malayalam films, and even now when I put on Amazon or Netflix or any of the OTTs, when I get time, I love watching films. If there is a new Telugu film and if there is a new Malayalam film, I will go try Malayalam film first, for sure. And then I watch a lot of films, and I watch a lot of arts film, Prithviraj film. I'm a big fan of Mohanlal sir. And yeah, lot of films. Ayyapanam Kosham, I loved the film. I heard Trans didn't do well here or something like that. We loved Trans. It's a lot of people in Telugu love Trans a lot. And I saw driving license, and saw a lot of films. Lucifer, I loved it, and yeah, I can go on naming all Malayalam films back to back because I've enjoyed so much. And actually, our favorite thing to kill time during the lockdowns was to watch Malayalam films. Yeah.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
My name is Eva. I have been watched Jersey more than 120 times.
Thank you. 120. I didn't watch so many times.
Because I know the times because whenever feeling negative, I suddenly go to the movie and watch. Because my father is like 100% Arjun.
Arjun,
Because I have been waiting for a big moment to enter up to cinema.
Okay.
It's been 4 years. I am 21 now, and when I am 16, I started.
In cinema, what you want to do? Acting?
Screenplay,
Screenplay.
writing, and direction.
Direction. Okay. So your railway station moment is waiting.
Okay.
So you're waiting for your railway station moment.
I have already screened 2 times.
You screamed already. So you got your first big break then. Opportunity. All the very best. Do good. Yeah.
Because I have been come to see you because it's a $1,000,000 moment for me.
Really?
Yes, you are my everything inspiration.
Thank you so much. It's pleasure meeting you. Yes. I'm very, very happy to see you here and glad to hear that you got your first opportunity. All the very best. Good luck. Yeah.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, you have started your career as an assistant director. From assistant director to actor, what are the changes you have been changed? So you have been
From assistant director to actor, I think definitely acting is a little more comfortable, luxurious job than being an assistant director. It was very difficult when I started off, when I didn't know anything. But I think today what really helped my acting career was my assistant director days, because that is when I got I have understood cinema, I've understood cameras, I've understood lens, I've understood the basic things about cinema. So that made it little easier for me to understand acting, or understand how the acting, whatever we act, how the end product is the most important thing. It's not about that single shot, or it should always be about the film. And I've understood better when I was an AD, and it definitely I will say today one of the major reasons I've been successful in my acting career was because I was an AD before.
Actually, we are also following that path. I am also an assistant director in acting.
And you're planning to be an actor?
No. To become a director.
Become a director. All the best. All the very best. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
is this a fictional, Shyam Singh Roy is a fiction character or is back from a real life character?
Shyam Singh Roy is a complete fictional character, and but there are a lot of details we incorporated into the film which are from the real 1969. So it will almost feel like the story really happened, but yeah, actually it's not. It's fictional film. Yeah. Yeah.
The film planned as a multilingual right from the beginning, or the decision came in between?
Decision came in the beginning itself when we heard the story. Not beginning in the sense not immediately as soon as we okayed the project, but once we started shooting and we realized that this is actually becoming better and bigger than we ever thought, then we thought this is the film, we should take it to all the South languages. Yeah.
Before 2020, we used to have only theatre release.
Correct.
But now we have two options, whether it's OTT or it's theatre.
Correct.
And artistic point of view, there is artists who have a digital value, box office value, and a satellite value.
Correct.
So I just want two answers as a producer point of view, from an actor point of view.
Okay. What exactly is the question? What should we prefer?
Yeah, from an artistic point of view,
Yeah.
from a producer point of view.
From producer point of view or an artist point of view, end of the day, when theaters are thriving, when we don't have lockdowns and all of that, 100% any day, only thing which can amplify cinema, which can celebrate cinema is theaters. We can only the kind of watching alone and watching with all of you sitting in one dark room in one theater is a different experience. Like for example, two of my films released in OTT. So people who wanted to write the review first, they straight away skipped it to the climax. So that is a big danger for cinema in that way. So any day, as an artist or a producer, as an audience most importantly, I will say theatre is what really celebrates cinema in the truest form. Again, when there is a lockdown, or when the situations are not supportive, then the producers can take that call of releasing it in OTT, because that is the feasible option then, and it makes complete sense. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
what are the two exciting factors that excite you in the release of this movie?
To sit here in Cochin like this and talk to all of you is very, very exciting. And to think of it, I was thinking I was an assistant director, and one of the films when we were shooting, we had to shoot with a lot of kids. And I still remember all the kids were Malayalis. And I was an assistant director. So I had to stand next to the camera and show them the hand and ask all the kids to look at my hand. And I remember that only line I've learnt in Malayalam, because I need to tell all the kids, was Ellaru evada nokkuno or something. Is that right? Yeah. So sitting here seeing the Malayalam press, I'm remembering that dialogue. Ellaru evada nokkuno. Look at me. I'm here to promote Shyam Singh Roy. Malayalam version. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. What?
Can we expect you in Malayalam?
I would love to, yeah, like if No, I was just telling my next film, Nazria is acting, and Fahad is a good friend. And I was just Nazria was just telling you, whenever you come to Malayalam film industry, decide to act, you should act first in Fahad, Fazil and Friends. I said, yes, done deal. I said, yeah, we'll do it. Yeah.
Sir, actually, my name is Pradesh Shekhar. I'm from India. My question is that right now we are doing the Shyam Singh Roy promotion and your movie, Ega. We called Icha in Malayalam.
Yeah,
and one satellite channel, I think already they have telecasted more than 250 shows of your Icha.
Yeah.
And you have a big audience for Icha. Even kids also still watching
Correct.
Icha and they are getting more than 2.5 rating.
Yes, still. After
Last shows
250
also,
premiums, yeah.
250 premiums also.
Yeah.
So, what you need to tell about that kids audience?
Oh, I feel very, very blessed and happy because the kind of recognition Ega, which is Icha, Nan, E in Tamil, had given me, I can't believe that too for a half an hour role. I am there only for 30 minutes in that film. But whichever state I go, from the kids to families to youngsters, everyone recognize me because of Ega. So I have to be thankful to Rajmouli sir for that and for that opportunity. And I'm so happy for the kind of love I'm getting for that little role I played in that film. And luckily, even though I'm there only for half an hour, for kids and all, the fly is me. So I'm getting a lot of free credit and free love, so I will take it all. Yeah. Yes.
There is two characters in Shyam Singh Roy. It is your favorite, most favorite.
It is my favorite.
Yes.
It's like asking me which of my hands is my favorite. So both I need, and both the roles are very important for the script. Huh?
Little bit more.
Little bit more will be Shyam Singh Roy. That is why we named the film. We didn't. The other character's name is Vasu, and this is Shyam Singh Roy. The reason we named the film Shyam Singh Roy is because I think we all are little biased towards Shyam. Yeah. Thank you.
ഇനി ചോദ്യങ്ങളുണ്ടോ?
Sai Pallavi's Premam movie is the biggest hit in Kerala and South India also. Did you watch Premam and?
I watched Premam. Oh, I loved it. Yeah.
Okay. What about Nivin Poli?
Oh, he's very good actor. Nivin Poli, Dulquer, and all the actors. I think Mammootty sir. I'm like I can just go on and on. A lot of films I watched. Like I said, I was watching a lot of films recently, Malayalam films recently, and I think everybody did a great job. Even Bangalore Days is one of my favorite films. Yeah.
Any more questions? ഉണ്ടോ?
Yeah.
Wrap ചെയ്തോട്ടെ? So,
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure meeting all of you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
For more cine updates, subscribe to our channel, Action on Frames TV.